We are at the dog park and Daffrin Park, and I would like to introduce the world to the most antisocial dog. We're at a dog park, but who's in the back of the park at the gate looking at the car like we're about to leave? Smoke Smith. You ready to go? Are you ready to go? Huh? Smoke. Are you acting funny? You acting funny? Huh? Come on, let's go. You like that? Uh-huh. So while all the other dogs are playing, see the dogs out there playing, at the back of the gate is Smoke, away from everybody. There's a dog coming. That's a dog coming. I need to see if this is a girl. And Smoke do what he do best, run at them. They can't keep up with the Don. They can't keep up with the Don. What? 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 Yeah, they dogs gonna be tired by the time they get to the house. That's right. That's right. Running like a football star. But these dogs are actually having fun. So this is a great place to bring your dog if you want your dog to be able to scratch all the way out off the leash legally and just play. No, they got a big one down there, boo.